Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Basics the Strong Roots. My name is Richa Yadav and today we will discuss the topic bookkeeping. So before starting, I want to know from you people, what do you understand by bookkeeping? So guys, bookkeeping is nothing but to maintain and keeping the records of a company properly. It just can't be a company, it can be a shop, a wholesaler shop, a retailer shop, or a bank, especially a bank, and some other institutions also, which maintain their records, and that is called bookkeeping. So what comes under bookkeeping? I just want to tell you about a company particularly. So in a company, what comes under books, which they keep properly, which they for which they want to maintain the records. So the books are, for a company, journal books, ledger books, the trial balance, the trading and profit and loss account, and last but not the least, balance sheets of a company. Whenever there is an audit in a company, the auditors, the team of the CAs need those records to check the uh, accounts of that company, and they can ask for anything. They can ask for the rough cash book also. So uh, I will start today with journal book to give you a small idea, as my channel is basics. So today I will give you a small idea about the journal, ledger and trial balance account. So whenever a transaction occurs in a company, what happens? The cashier and the authorized person notes down that transaction in a rough cash book, because he can't note down everything in a proper and chronological way in journal book directly. So what he does, he maintains a rough cash book and notes down the transaction quickly with date and time in rough cash book. From rough cash book, he maintains the journal book, and after journal book, uh, the authorized person prepares the ledger book, and in ledger book we prepares the individual account of each and every account. In each entry, if there are two accounts, like if we have purchased something, there will be two accounts, purchase account and cash account. So in ledger book we will prepare purchase account and cash account, and it goes with all the entries in the journal book. And from ledger book we prepare the trial balance. Why we prepare trial balance? Trial balance is maintained and prepared to check the accuracy of the accounts. So if there is a discrepancy in the accounts, whether it is in the ledger book or journal book, you can get it quickly in the trial balance, because if there will be any kind of discrepancy in the accounts, the trial balance is not going to match. The credit and debit side of a trial balance will never match if there is an account discrepancy. So today I will take only one entry to show you guys, because there are so many there are types of account which I need to discuss with you, and why some account there are nominal account, revenue account, assets, liabilities, so and cash account, capital account. So why these particular accounts get debited and credited, I need to tell you guys. And types of account, the concept behind debit and credit. So today I'm just going to give you a small idea and a small example to understand how we prepare journal book, ledger book, and then trial balance. So I have noted down, but it will come just like a mirror image, because I don't have board. I am sorry. So this is A4 size paper. Hope you all can see this. So I have noted in that down, like just imagine that we have purchased something from of 1000 rupees, that is of rupees 1000, and we have purchased it by cash. So how the entry will go in journal? I'm not discussing about the cash book, because you can write in any way to make yourself understand in cash book. So in journal book, the entry will go like this: purchase account will be debited with 1000 rupees and cash account will be credited to cash account. I have written 1000 rupees, so that both the sides of debit and credit of the journal book will get matched by 1000 rupees. Now, how we will make the ledger book? So while preparing ledger book, sorry, we will maintain purchase account and cash account, because there are two entries with two accounts, purchase account and cash account. So we will prepare purchase account first. And how we will do the entry in purchase account in ledger book? Purchase account is debit in ledger, sorry, journal. So we will write in ledger book to cash account in the debit side of the purchase account, and we will in credit side we will carry forward the balance in credit side, and we will match both the sides of the purchase account. Same goes with the cash account. The cash account is credit in journal book. So in cash account we will pass the entry by purchase account 1000 rupees, and again we will carry forward the balance in the debit side of the cash account, and we will balance both the sides, debit and credit, with 1000 rupees. Now, how we will make the trial balance to check the accuracy of the accounts, whether we have prepared the journal and ledger book properly or not? What we will do, what happens in trial balance? While making trial balance, if there we note the balances of the accounts in trial balance, like if there is we can do one thing. There are two three types of trial balance also. So one thing you can do, you can prepare the trial balance by the total of the accounts, or you can maintain the trial balance by the balances of the accounts. Here I will show you the balance with balances of the accounts. So that is the correct way, and mostly that is in trend to use the balance method of trial balance. So in our ledger book, the purchase account has a sorry credit side balance. So we will note the credit balance of 1000 rupees in trial balance for purchase account, and cash account has a debit side balance. We carried forward the balance in debit side of the cash account, so we will note that balance of cash account in debit side of the trial balance. So we will see here that the total is 1000 rupees in debit side and 1000 rupees in credit side. So our trial balance is matched now, so it shows that we have done the entry and ledger book properly. So guys, there are so many things to learn about accounts, and as I said, we will discuss it later to understand more about the accounts. It was just a quick review for bookkeeping to make you understand, because when we will start learning the accounts, before that we must know that what is bookkeeping. Many people don't know what is bookkeeping, what companies do with these records. So it was my responsibility to tell you all that what is bookkeeping, and what are those records which are checked by the auditors when they come for an audit of the company. So this was it for in this video. Later we will discuss about more about the accounts, and of course about the bookkeeping. So till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because when you will press the bell icon, you will get the notification for my new videos. Bye bye, take care.